In this lesson, we are going to look at simple interest. What is simple interest? This is the amount of money that is paid at a particular rate for the money borrowed or invested over a period of time in years. Simple interest is denoted as capital I is equals to P times R times T divided by 100, where P is the principal, which is money borrowed or invested. R is the annual or yearly rate of interest. T is the length of time in years you borrow or invest. The amount is equals to the principal plus interest. The amount is equals to principal plus interest. Let's look at an example. Question 1. Mrs. Jolwe borrowed 4,000 kwacha for 3 years at 10% per annum. Calculate the simple interest and amount to be paid back. So we know that interest is equals to principal times rate times time over 100. Our principal or the money borrowed was 4,000 kwacha. Our rate was 10% and our time was 3 years. So we are going to substitute. Where there's P, we are going to replace a 4,000. Where there's R, we'll put a 10. And where there's T, we are going to replace a 3. Let's do that. So if you divide 100 into 100, you get a 1. We'll remain with a 40 here. 40 times 10 times 3 will give us 1,200. Therefore, our interest was 1,200 kwacha. Now the question is saying calculate the simple interest and the amount to be paid back. We have found the interest, which is 1,200 kwacha. The amount is equals to the principal plus the interest. Where there's P, we are going to replace a 4,000, and where there's I, we'll replace our interest, which is 1,200. Let's do that. So we have our amount is equals to 4,000 kwacha plus 1,200 kwacha. Therefore, the amount Mrs. Cholwe was supposed to pay back was 5,200 kwacha. We continue. Question 2 is saying calculate the rate on 360,000 kwacha invested for 3 years with an interest of 129,600 kwacha. Calculate the rate on 360,000 kwacha invested for 3 years with an interest of 109,600. So we are going to start with first stating the formula. We'll say interest is equals to principal times rate times time over 100. The interest has been given, which is 129,600. The principal has been given, which is 360,000 kwacha. And the time has been given, which is 3 years. What we are looking for is the rate, which is the R. So we are going to substitute. Where there's I, we'll replace 129,600. Where there's P, we'll replace a 360,000. And where there's T, we'll replace a 3. And so for R. Let's do that. So we have 129,600 is equals to 360,000 times R times 3. We'll cross multiply. We are going to say 129,600 times 100 is equals to, there's a 1 here. When you multiply by 1, we are going to get 360,000 times 3 times R. Let's do that. So if you multiply that, you are going to get 12,960,000 kwacha is equals to 1,080,000 R. So what are we supposed to do to find the R? Divide both sides by 1,080,000. Let's do that. So when you divide both sides, you are going to find that the R is equals to 12. Therefore, the rate was 12%. We go to question 3. Question 3. Calculate how long it would take to have an interest of 648 kwacha invested on 5,400 at the rate of 6%. Calculate how long it would take to have an interest of 648 kwacha invested on 5,400 at the rate of 6%. So what we are looking for is the time. So we are going to start with interest. We'll say I is equals to P times R times T over 100. The interest has been given, which is 648. Where there's I here, we'll replace 648. The principal is 5,400. Where there's P, we'll put a 5,400. The rate has been given, which is 6. So where there's R, we'll replace a 6 and then solve for T. Let's do that. So we have 648 is equals to 5,400 times 6 times T over 100. What are we supposed to do? We'll cross multiply. So we'll multiply 648 times 100 should be equals to 5,400 times 6 times T. If you multiply 648 times 100, you get 64,800. Multiply 5,400 times 6, you get 32,400 T. To find the value of T, we'll divide both sides by the coefficient, which is 32,400. When you do that, our T will be equals to 2. Therefore, the time was 2 years. It took 2 years to get 648 with the principal of 5,400 kwacha. We go to another question. Question 4. Find the simple interest on 34,000 kwacha at 5% per annum for 6 months. Now, simple interest has to be calculated in years all the time. So if you have been given months, you are supposed to convert these months into years by dividing the months by 12. Let's do that. So we are saying I is equals to P times R times T over 100. Where there's P, we'll replace our 34,000. Where there's R, we'll put our 5. And where there's T here, we'll put 6 divided by 12 to convert the months into years. Let's do that. So we have I is equals to 34,000 times 5 times 6 over 12 divided by 100. Now this 6 over 12 is the same as half, which is 0.5. Let's do that. So we are saying 34,000 times 5 times 0.5. Then we can always divide 100 into 100. We are going to remain with 340 times 5 times 0.5. Our interest will be equals to 850 kwacha. So the simple interest was 850 kwacha in 6 months. So that is how we calculate simple interest.